Going to test the HC-SR04 sonic sensor for the Arduino. The left is a transmit and the right is a receive. The transmit simply puts out a sonic pulse. The receive is going to tell us the distance based on the echo. You have 4 volts, which is VCC, trigger, echo, and ground. The trigger turns on our pulse, and the echo records the distance. I'm going to mount this on the breadboard. As you can see, the pins are lined up so that it's made for the breadboard. Seems to be a new breadboard, so it's kind of hard to get in. Now, I need to provide power to it. So I'm going to start by using the 5 volt and ground off of the Arduino. And 5 volt will go to pin 1. It's VCC. New breadboards are hard to work with. There you go. Start boogering up my wires if I'm not careful. And we're going to use the ground off the Arduino. And that is pin 4. So we now have power to it. Going to use our digital input-output. We're going to use pin 12 and 13 for trigger and pulse. So 13 is going to go to the echo pin, which is going to give us the distance. And port 12 is going to go to the trigger. So now that I have everybody installed, I'm going to hook this guy up to the PC. And I've written a really quick test program. As you can see, it's a very simple program. And all it's saying is that we're going to use trigger pin as 12, echo pin as 13, 9600 baud. We're going to basically just read in what the distance is in centimeters. So I'm going to compile this and upload it. And let's begin by looking at the distance. Currently it's saying that my hand is 6-7 centimeters away from the sensor, and I can change that. using my hand as a guide, currently at 9 centimeters. And it continues to go. I'm at 35 centimeters. Now, I also have a wall behind me, and it should be at about 130 centimeters. I measured this. 136 centimeters. Putting my hand, we can start adjusting that in. I did note that once I get my hand too close, you can see here that it jumps to a very high value. Obviously, my hand being directly over the speaker, 164 centimeters is not correct. So I'll need to adjust my code to figure the out of range value. But we can tune it in. All we need, in our case, I believe, is about a 40 centimeter range. So I think we can just adjust anything to be over 140 as not necessary.